My name is Stuart Laws. I'm based in the southeast of England within IC. It's about 5:10 in the morning, and I've got about an hour's commute into CMH, which is one of our sites in West London. I've got some quarterly servicing and testing to do on the ED flows, and then after that carry out some performance upgrades as well. I just got home now. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. Got a whole machine done today, quarterly testing, all the reports written up, and also managed to get a couple of upgrades done as well, so it's all good.